Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to make sugar-free peach trifle. The things I have taken for them are these small biscuits. These are almost sugar-free and they are not very sweetened. I've taken one appropriate glass for the size of the biscuits and just half cup milk. Peach jam, this is sugar-free peach jam. You can take any flavor of the jam that you like. And I have taken some whipped cream. At this point you can add custard or something, but because this is a sugar-free recipe, so I'm just using sugar-free whipped cream. So let's start. I will first show you how to whip the cream. I have taken ice cubes in the water so that the cream can remain cold while I'm whipping it. And I have taken 100 grams of cream, and this is just a thick cream, and I have to beat it with the beater. This is the beater. I'm going to beat the cream with it, and after beating for maybe 10 minutes the cream will look like this. It has thickened and it is forming some soft peaks, and you can see it has become fluffier and lighter, and it has also become even whiter. I must say, you can see it has also increased in size. I took just 100 grams of cream, but after beating it has become doubled. Now for the assembling, I'm going to first put one biscuit at the bottom of the glass, and now I shall add just 1 tablespoon of milk. And I have put the second biscuit, and now I just want again 1 tablespoon of milk. Now I'm going to add 1 layer of the cream, the whipped cream, and now I'm going to add the layer of the jam. This is sugar-free peach jam. You have to spread it very nicely on the sides and the center. You can take any other flavor of the jam that you like. Now I shall repeat this step. I shall add the cream, and then I shall add the biscuit and the peach jam, and then at the last also I shall cover the top of the glass with the biscuit and the cream to just wind it up likewise. And this is the final product. You can see there are 2 layers of jams and 3 layers of cream, and at the top I have added some crushed biscuits, the same unsweetened biscuits. So this is the final product. I hope you will try it, and please let me know in the comment section below if it turned out well or no. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.